Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is LACHELLETRENDS, and since in today's video I'm coming to you with a wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Samsbeauty. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's jump into it. Okay y'all, so again I received this unit from Samsbeauty, and they sent over this unit right here. We have us a unit from Sensationnel. Oh girl, okay girl, so let's get into it. Okay sis, so this is what we have. She's looking cute, so let's get into it. We have Sensational's unit, Butta lace unit in the style Glam Wave, 24 inches, color Beige Chocolate. It's virtually HD lace, undetectable, human hair and premium fiber blend. It says full body movement, blends with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep parting space, pre-plucked with baby hairs along the hairline, and a natural full density. So one more time for the color, you can see it has like a light highlight right there, but it's chocolate, so it's very subtle, which I wanted. I didn't want anything, you know, too much. So let's get into the front. So as you can see, it has the baby hairs and the deep parting space or part. Then this is the inside of the cap. We have two combs, one on either side, as well as a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. So one more time for the unit and the color, and we're gonna go ahead and put her on. So starting off, I'm just going to put this unit on. I'm not going to spray her down because it is only a 5-inch parting space, and I just figure I'm not going to waste any product trying to tint this unit with my spray. So yeah, I'm just putting her on, getting her situated, and then to lay her down, I'll be using some Got To Be glue free spray, and I'm going to spray along the hairline and then blow dry it in. So now I'll be tinting the lace using my, girl, I can't even get it out, my Black Radiance Contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm just placing that powder along the hairline. Then I'm going to repeat those same steps I just did, using some Got To Be Glue Free Spray, then blow drying in, and this is just going to have this unit melt in my skin and just create a flawless look. So now for styling, I'm just going to clean up the part and kind of swerve it a little bit because I want my baby hairs to have that, you know what I'm talking about. So after I get the part how I want it to look, I'm then going to, again y'all, take out the hair for the baby hair. For the baby hair, I'm just going to cut it, curl it with my little flat iron, and then use some more Got To Be Glue Free Spray to lay them down. Okay girl, so now that I'm situated, I'm going in with my wax stick and I'm going to place the wax all along the parting space, and then afterwards I'm going to go in with my hot comb. And y'all, this is just to lay this unit flat as can be. I'm going to do the same in the front of the wig or whatever, and again we're just kind of just styling it how we want it to look. To give my wig some moisture, I'm going to go in with my favorite oil sheen, and I'm just going to spray this oil sheen around the hair and just rub my fingers through and kind of just finger comb it. Okay y'all, so this is what the unit ended up looking like. Sis, she's cute. She is definitely cute. I'm really excited about this one just because I haven't been having the best of luck with my synthetic wig pickings lately. Like, I like them, but not as much as I like this one. Like, I love this unit. It looks really good and natural, and it looks like human hair. I know it's a human hair blend, but it really looks good. So anyways, let me turn around so you can see the back. Okay y'all, let me stand up so you can see how long it is. And I'm 5'7", and I think this unit said it was 24 inches if I'm not mistaken. So this is all of the hair pushed up to the front. Y'all, isn't she just cute? Yeah, anyways, let's get into these details. First and foremost, I want to say that it's in between big hair friendly and not. I don't know if lately I've been applying my wigs differently, and or did my head get bigger, or did they just start making these wig caps a little smaller? Because sis, this is fitting very snug on my head. It's not unbearable, however, it's not as comfortable as I would want it to be. Like, this is giving take it off immediately after I finish this video, because it is really snug on my head, and or take some Tylenol. But girl, I can kind of endure the pain just because it's really nice. But yeah, I would just have to take some Tylenol, go to a function, and then take this right off immediately because it's something that will give me a headache. So yeah, in between, the texture of this hair, y'all, the hair is just super soft. You can run your fingers through it. You will get a few snags or whatever, as you saw. Yeah, like in the back, probably because I didn't add no oil sheen in the back. Shame on me, because I do tend to neglect the back all the time, but the front I can run my fingers through it because I did add some oil sheen. Let me show y'all the oil sheen that I've been using. Yeah, I've been using this one lately and it works so good. I mean, it's no difference, but this sprays out like a thin mist. I just really like this, and this is Luster's Pink Sheen Spray, and I got it from Walmart. Girl, I just sprayed a little bit of it, and it just goes a long way. It adds moisture to the hair, and you're able to run your fingers through it. Again, it's like a yucky texture. It's very thick hair, but after you put the oil sheet in, it kind of slims down just a tad bit, and just, I don't know, it's just very sleek. That's the word. It just gives it a very sleek look, as opposed to when you don't have oil sheen. It is very full, dry, and just thick. But overall, it's still pretty either way, if you add oil sheen or if you don't. And the curls is just really popping. Y'all see the color is very subtle. It's just like a light blonde streak, and then the rest is like this chocolate. Like, I'm loving it. I've never gotten chocolate before, but this time around I did, and I just really like it. Anyway, so that is the hair texture. And again, y'all, it's 24 inches, and I believe you do get all of your 24 inches, and it's layered. It's just really cute. The lace melted good. Well, I would say okay, good. Yeah, it melted okay. It could have been better. I can still see some light spots in the lace. And I did not spray the lace tinting spray like I normally would. I kind of just used my powder, but powder works the same to me. Just not for this unit. It didn't really blend as well as I wanted it to blend, but I mean, it doesn't look bad. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. I can see it a little bit, but again, it doesn't look bad. Off camera, I did go in with some more powder, and I put powder down apart because I was just feeling myself, and I was like, girl, we about to slay. We are about to slay. So yeah, I did do that off camera. The baby hairs laid down so nicely, y'all. One thing about me, I test my hair out depending on how the baby hairs lay. If the baby hairs take me forever to lay down and I can't just swoop them with Got to Be Glue free spray, I'll be like, nah, the quality of this hair is not A1, because the baby hairs don't slay. Y'all, when I say I put that Got to Be Glue on in one swipe, and it was just like, I said, oh, okay. So girl, this unit is very cute. I will have it linked in the description box below. Oh y'all, and I believe that this unit will last at least 2 weeks and 3 weeks with good care, just because it is quite long. It just depends on, you know, how you take care of this unit. Anyways, I'll have it linked. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.